Everyone, today I will show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 18, and here's how it is done. Visit the official website, open your web browser and go to the official DaVinci Resolve page. Choose the version. On the page, you will see two options, DaVinci Resolve Free and DaVinci Resolve Studio Paid. If you're looking for the free version, select DaVinci Resolve. Download for your OS. Scroll down to the download section. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click on the download button for your OS. Fill out the form. A pop-up may appear asking you to fill out the form with your details, name, email, and country. Fill in the information and click register and download. Install DaVinci Resolve. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the installation instructions to complete the setup process. For Windows, run the .exe file and follow the steps. For Mac OS, open the .dmg file, drag DaVinci Resolve into your application folder. For Linux, extract the tar file and follow the installation instructions. Launch DaVinci Resolve. Once installed, you can open DaVinci Resolve from your desktop or applications folder. And that's everything you need to know about how to download DaVinci Resolve 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.